Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop image in double arrow shape in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that crop image double arrow shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for the drawing option. Now click for image option, then click for the browse option, then find your image. Now select, then click for open. Now then I show insert from the image. This image is a double arrow shape. Now click for the max image option. Now click for the arrow option, then click for double arrow option. That's it. Now click for the border width option. Now click for 2px. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then I show crop image double arrow shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.